buddy. Go ahead.
Julian.
Come here, Adrian. Come here. Come
Yeah,
here, Adrian.
I'll
Come here. Oh, good job. Keep going. Come here. Come here. Gosh, back up, back up. She's coming this way. Come here. Come here. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Come on, keep going. Now move your arms. Move your arms. Yeah, get back up. There you go. You're getting it.